Mama. Or brother. Come on.
My head's itchy.
Your head's itching?
I wash my hair.
Oh, and then just let it, yeah. But come on. What you got? So brother got to get more opening going on. If you having fun, he's going to say, I like this ho-ho game now.
Good job, boy.
Okay. Alan, you want to open any of yours?
probably
Or Elmo. Look, what you got? Yes, you got some cars? Bin, 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 bin. What are you
I
doing?
want to open some presents.
Look, come here. No, we don't need kitty
Here's a
kitty.
new present. Here's
Yeah.
a new present.
Right in there.
Love.
Come here. No, that's okay. That's enough. No, he's
No,
trying.
not that
No,
big.
he wasn't trying to hit her. He was trying to pat her head. You did a good job with everything. Although, I do have to say that you were noisier than Santa was a few years ago. Santa was noisier this year than he was a few years ago.
How was that noise?